Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. I run online IELTS and spoken English classes. Interested people can contact me through email. My email address is given in the description box. Along with that, the links for other videos are also mentioned. So kindly watch them out. Don't skip any video. We are doing the series of parts of speech and in which we have started subordinating conjunctions. So all these subordinating conjunctions are very helpful in making complex sentences. All these are known as glue words. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Glue words are known as subordinating conjunctions. Let's see the definition of subordinating conjunction. The subordinating conjunction is a conjunction used to connect two different clauses, phrases or sentences from which one is a subordinate clause or dependent clause. In other words, we can say a subordinate conjunction joins a main or an independent clause to a subordinate or dependent clause. Let's see the formula. Main clause, then subordinating conjunction and then subordinate clause. First of all, we will see lest. So, what is the meaning of lest? In order to prevent something from happening. That is the meaning of lest. Let's see example. I feared lest he said something inside. So, here I feared, that is main clause, lest, that is subordinating conjunction, and he said something inside, that is subordinate clause. So here lest is given in order to prevent something from happening. Second, note down my email ID lest you forget it. So here note down my email ID, that is main clause, lest, that is subordinating conjunction, and you forget it, that is subordinate clause. Here also lest is used in order to prevent something from happening. Which one? That is you forget it. So it is better to note down my email ID. That is the meaning. Do not run fast lest you should fall. So here lest is also used in order to prevent something. So here. Next, I did not even talk to them lest they should insult me. So here I did not even talk to them in case they should insult me. So in that sense it is given. So here it is used lest. Study hard lest you should fail. So study hard in case you should fail. That is the meaning. So that is why lest is given in order to prevent something. Next, sentinels were posted lest the camp should be taken by surprise. So after lest you have to use should construction. But it is not so with all types of sentences. Exceptions are there. He held my hand lest I should fall. So he held my hand in case I should fall. That is the meaning. So that's why here lest is mentioned. So he held my hand, that is main clause or independent clause. Lest, that is subordinating conjunction, and here I should fall, that is subordinate clause. Next, he fled lest he should be killed. take care lest you fall. So take care of yourself. Lest means in case you fall. Last one, put on your coat lest you should catch the cold. Put on your coat in case you should catch the cold. That is the meaning. So in order to prevent something, that is you should catch the cold. Next is after. Now we will see how to use after and what is the meaning of after. Okay, now see here, this is before, right? Means backward, and after. So that is the meaning here. Here after, that is next, or you can say forward, whereas before, that is backward. That's why arrow is also mentioned. So here after means next or forward. So we are doing after. So arrow is indicated that next, 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 next. It will be very easy for you to understand and remember. That is the meaning of after. Now see, here you can see the names of months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, if I ask what comes after January, so answer would be Feb, means February. Okay, so what comes after? So that is the meaning of after. Same way, what comes after June? So July. Same way, what comes after November? Then December. Next. So that is the meaning of after. I hope you understood this meaning. Okay, let's try to understand with the help of examples. After shows sequence or order. First example, the stadium looks like garbage after the match. Don't pronounce this as garbage. So correct pronunciation is garbage. The stadium looks like garbage. So that is main clause. After, so that is subordinating conjunction, and the match, that is subordinate clause. I can pass after the green light is on. So here I can pass, that is main clause. After, that is subordinating conjunction, and green light is on, that is subordinate clause. Let's see more examples. After they pass the town, they must turn to the right. Next, call me after you arrive at work. Next, I shall go to college after I eat my lunch. So here I shall go to college, main clause, principal clause, or you can say here this is main thing. And after, that is subordinating conjunction. I eat my lunch, that is subordinate clause. Mary closed her diary after writing about that day's events. Don't go there after 7 p.m. means after 7 p.m. don't go there, but before that you can go. So here don't go there after 7 p.m. After, that is next. After the shower was over, the sun shone out again. So here after is mentioned in the beginning, and that's why you need to put comma, because we take slight pause when we use after in the beginning. That's why here punctuation mark is needed. We arrived after you had gone. he was sorry after he had done it. So here he was sorry, main clause, or you can say principal clause. Here after, that is subordinating conjunction, and he had done it, that is subordinate clause. Let's do exercise. Choose proper conjunctions from brackets. Okay, 5 sentences are mentioned with brackets. You have to choose any one. Now your time starts now. Let's check answers. First, I was afraid to open the door. He should follow me. So, lest and after both are given. So, which one is the correct one? Lest. I was afraid to open the door lest he should follow me. Second, she obeyed her. Which will come here? Lest. Lest she should be angry. In case she should be angry, in that sense it is given. That's why after will not come, but the correct answer is lest. I went to bed eating. So after or lest, which one will come here? So after. She arrived after I had left. Last one. After a pause, his voice was more controlled. After and lest both are given. So according to the context, according to the sentence, after is appropriate answer. So friends, hope you understood well. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing and keep subscribing. Thank you so much.